Well, hello, YouTubers. It's day 23 of my daily, day 23 of my 100 days of practice. What I'm practicing is my video production skills, but yeah, well, that's what I'm practicing. So here I'm doing a sketchbook tour, and this sketchbook was from August 2020 to September 2020, so just about a month. This sketchbook was a little different in that I don't normally use Archer's cold press watercolor paper, but I did here because sometimes I just feel like I'm missing out, so I spend a bunch of money on this paper, then I don't paint with it for a long time, and then I think, why should it sit there? So I make it into a sketchbook and compare it to other sketchbooks and other papers. And really, in the end, um, for me, I'm just not really crazy about the Arches cold press. It's just not my deal. I guess because you're used to working with one paper and then art just stays wet for a really long time. So that really doesn't fit my style very well. But I suppose if you're more of a layered type person where you dry it for days between layers, then that would probably be better for you. But anyway, it doesn't work that great for me. So here you see I'm painting little birds. I like birds. I like paintings of birds. Uh, every once in a while I try to paint birds and then I give up. But that's what I was working on in these sketchbooks in August 2020. I always like to do some florals, right? I'm always doing color charts and trying to find my favorite 12 color palette. Um, And that's what's going on there. Yep. And here I was working on a little mosaic watercolor, which I have a few of these, and I would really love to have somebody who does mosaic tiles use one of my mosaic paintings for a tile project. That'd be really cool, but maybe I'll have to do it myself. I don't know. Anyway, so here's Monday, and on the other page I'm just working with colors again. What's my favorite? What's my favorite? I love them all. I have so many different and unique watercolors, and I just love them freaking all. So here I'm comparing oranges with which I think look really great with the turquoises. There was my birthday. I thought it was 54, but I was actually 55 last year. So a little LOL because I had to cross out the 4 and put a 5. I can barely remember I am my own age. So everybody should understand when I don't remember theirs. Then I got a bunch of Daniel Smith granulating colors I got in a trade. That's what I was checking out here. And then that was, yeah, and I'm basically just working on my video editing skills, and I got a new computer, so I'm working on that too. See you next time. Bye.